Hello, this is Saqib from Green Delta Insurance. So we're basically the lead sponsor of this event, Showcase Bangladesh. So we're basically a non-life insurance company. Currently, we're the only AAA rated company in Bangladesh, and we're leading the business as well. So this is my team members, Yashna and Sadia. So basically, this was the
We're
first
here
day of
to
the
showcase our services to the Malaysian peoples as well as the Bangladeshi peoples working here. Mainly, the main motto of this program is to promote Bangladesh here, and
The services that we
that we
offer.
are offering to our country people as well as the Malaysian people. Make the
And the two
relationship
products we're
stronger.
basically promoting today is one is Nivedita, that's the first female insurance product in Bangladesh, and this one is the health product, GD Health. That was also the first of its kind.
And there are some other retail businesses that's offering things like this. That's it.
Thank you.
Thank you.